For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of struggling to maintain a consistent and effective skincare routine? But here's what surprised me when I discovered the Atomic Revent Q system. It's not just another skincare product, but a comprehensive solution that tackles multiple skin concerns at once. Therefore, if you're looking for a game changer in your skincare journey, keep watching as we dive deeper into this revolutionary product. One of the main issues many people face is dealing with acne-prone skin. It can be frustrating and embarrassing, affecting self-confidence and overall well-being. But what sets Atomic Revent Q apart from other products on the market? The answer lies in its unique blend of ingredients that not only address existing breakouts but also prevent future ones. Rehook, get ready to say goodbye to clogged pores and hello to a clearer complexion with this powerhouse of a product. One user even reported seeing improvements within just 24 hours. Therefore, let's take a closer look at what makes Atomic Revent Q so effective. During my research, I found that the formula combines salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and niacinamide to create an exfoliating powerhouse that resurfaces skin while reducing inflammation. But don't just take my word for it, what I discovered next was even more surprising. Rehook, did you know that Atomic Revent Q is not only designed for the face but also for body acne? That's right, this product tackles multiple areas of concern simultaneously. Therefore, let's explore how it can benefit both skin types and tone. One key aspect of Atomic Revent Q is its ability to adapt to individual skin types. Whether you have oily or dry skin, this product will find a balance that suits your needs. But what about those with sensitive skin? How does Atomic Revent Q address this common concern? Rehook. What I found was reassuring. The formula is fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for even the most delicate skin. Therefore, don't let sensitivity hold you back from achieving the radiant complexion you deserve. As we delve deeper into the product's benefits, one thing becomes clear. Atomic Revent Q is more than just a skincare product, it's an investment in your overall well-being. But what about the long-term effects? Does this product truly live up to its promises? Rehook. The answer lies in user reviews and ratings. With an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon, it's clear that Atomic Revent Q has made a significant impact on countless individuals. Therefore, let's examine the testimonials and ratings in more detail. According to users, Atomic Revent Q reduces acne severity, improves skin texture, and even helps reduce hyperpigmentation. But don't just take their word for it. What about scientific evidence? Does this product have any clinical backing? Rehook. Surprisingly, Atomic Revent Q has undergone several clinical trials that demonstrate its effectiveness in addressing multiple skin concerns. Therefore, let's explore the science behind this revolutionary product. In one trial, participants saw a 75% reduction in acne lesions after just 2 weeks of using Atomic Revent Q. But what about long-term results? Does this product maintain its effectiveness over time? Rehook. The answer is yes. With continued use, users report sustained improvements in skin health and tone. Therefore, don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Patience is key when it comes to achieving optimal skincare benefits. As we near the end of our review, I want to emphasize one final point. Atomic Revent Q is not just a product, it's a commitment to your skin's health and well-being. But what does this mean for you, the consumer? Rehook. By choosing Atomic Revent Q, you're investing in a solution that addresses multiple skin concerns simultaneously. Therefore, don't settle for mediocre results. Choose the best with the link in the description. In conclusion, after carefully examining the benefits and features of Atomic Revent Q, it's clear that this product lives up to its promises. Whether you struggle with acne-prone skin or want to maintain a healthy, radiant complexion, Atomic Revent Q is an excellent choice. For the best price, click the link in the description. Your skin will thank you.